Imagine this. It's 2025, and Sarah, a 28-year-old teacher in a small Midwest town, stares at her bank account, $200 left until payday, bills piling up like ungraded papers. She's earning $55,000 a year, barely scraping by after rent, student loans, and that unexpected car repair. Sound familiar? But here's the twist. Fast forward 6 months, and Sarah's not just surviving, she's thriving. She's built a $1,000 emergency fund, slashed her debt, and even started investing $50 a month. How? By flipping the script on her finances with smart, simple strategies. If she can do it, so can you. Welcome to our 2-part mini-series on personal finance mastery. Today, we're diving into game-changing tips for anyone earning under $100,000 a year, because building wealth isn't just for the high rollers. Let's turn your money story from stress to success. A quick shout out to our sponsor, Monarch Money. Before we jump in, a massive thanks to Monarch Money, the budgeting app that's been my go-to since Mint shut down last year. I've been using it daily to track everything from coffee runs to big bills. And with their 2025 updates, like improved transaction categorization and the expanded Monarch extension for seamless browser integration, it's even more intuitive. No ads, no data selling, just clean tools for bill splitting, debt payoff, and visual dashboards that make money management feel like a breeze. If you're early in your journey, starting with an app like this builds habits that stick. Over 1 million users, including me, swear by it. Head to monarchmoney.com/landing-TFD or grab the link below for 50% off your first year with code TFD. The reality check, $100K, isn't what it used to be. First things first. $100,000 sounds like a magic number, but it's not one size fits all. In bustling New York City, it might just cover a cramped apartment and basics, landing you in the middle class. But in rural areas or with remote work perks, it's upper-class luxury. And your background matters. Zero student debt and family support make it stretch further than if you're saddled with loans and family obligations. These tips aren't cookie-cutter. They're flexible guidelines. Remember, low income doesn't doom you to poverty, and high earnings don't guarantee smarts. Plenty of 6-figure folks live paycheck to paycheck. Your habits? They're the real game changer. Step 1. Tame the budget beast. Sarah's wake-up call back to Sarah. Her turning point? Facing her spending leaks head-on. If you're under $100K, budgeting isn't optional. It's your superpower. Studies show tracking alone boosts savings because what gets measured gets managed. Start by logging every dollar. Apps like Monarch make it effortless. Spot your traps. Those $50 food deliveries adding up? Subscriptions you forgot? Impulse buys on payday? Build a realistic plan with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, rent, groceries, transport, 30% on wants, fun stuff, and 20% on goals, savings, debt. If rent eats 60%, no panic, track and tweak. Maybe negotiate bills or cut cable. Find your system. App, spreadsheet, or notebook, whatever sticks. Link it to your dreams. Visualize that debt-free life or dream vacation. Pro tip, check our 15-minute budgeting series linked below for personality-tailored advice. In 2025, with inflation easing but costs high, this step keeps you ahead. Step 2. Face the numbers. No more hiding Sarah's next move. Calculating her net worth. Assets, savings, retirement, minus liabilities, debts. Hers was negative $25,000 from loans. Scary but empowering. You must know yours too. Ignorance breeds worse habits, like avoiding the scale while gaining weight. Prioritize an emergency fund first, even if in debt. Aim for 1 month of expenses now, building to 3 to 6 months in a high-yield savings account. As of September 2025, top rates hit 4.46% APY from spots like Axos Bank or Newtek. Links below. Your money works for you. Then tackle debt, avalanche, high interest first, or snowball, smallest first method. Consolidate if possible. But low interest debt under 4 to 5%? Pay minimums and invest instead. The market's historical 10% average return often beats it, though 2025 forecasts suggest modest 2 to 4% growth for S&P 500. Use our Debt Viaz investing calculator, linked, to crunch your numbers. Step 3. Unlock passive income. The magic of time. Sarah started small, $20 monthly into investments. Passive income isn't get rich quick. It's money working without you. Investing tops the list, especially for low earners because time trumps amount. Example, invest 2,000 a year from 1927 at 10% average returns. You could hit 1 million by 65, wait till 27 and invest till 65, only 800,000. Start today. Use workplace plans like 401ks with matches, free money. No employer? Roth IRA or solo 401k. Apps like Betterment make it easy for beginners. Allocate based on age, young. More stocks for growth. Diversify with index funds, boring but beats stock picking. Avoid real estate myths, it's active work, not passive. Our retirement calculator below helps visualize your path. Step 4. Level up your earnings. From side hustle to raise, Sarah negotiated a 5% raise and added tutoring gigs. Wealth builds on 2 levers. Spend less, earn more. Master spending first, but don't stop there. At your job, negotiate starting salaries and annually. Our negotiation video, linked, shows how. Seek promotions, overtime, or job hops for big jumps. Exhausted options? Smart side income. Seasonal jobs, gigs aligned with goals. Avoid gas-guzzling deliveries if they net zero. Use sinking funds for motivation. Label savings for specifics like vacation or new laptop. As income rises, fight lifestyle creep. Keep habits humble to build wealth faster. Step 5. Conquer your milestones. Future-proof. Your life, Sarah's audit revealed gaps. No will, outdated insurance. Treat your future self like a VIP. Checklist. 3 to 6 months emergency. Debt on track? Investing for retirement? Tax plan, will trust? Up-to-date insurance, renter's health? Roll over old 401ks? Shop high-yield accounts yearly. Even starting from zero or negative matters. I began deep in credit card debt, but treating myself seriously built stability. You can too. No matter your income, you're worth the effort. That's our low-income blueprint. Stay tuned for the over 100K edition. If Sarah's story inspired you, subscribe, and hit the bell. Share your wins below. What's your first step? Links to all resources in the description. Let's make 2025 your financial breakthrough. See you next time.